Hi friends, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to test the 4G Plus aggregation support test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device after the recent software update. Yes friends, just today, I think a couple of hours ago, I did upload a videos on the software update on the OnePlus Nord 2 and I'm getting plenty of requests on the 4G Plus aggregation. So what about the 4G Plus in this phone? How good it is? What are the bands you are getting? And which SIMs are supported with the 4G Plus? And one quick note, in this video, I'll try to use this 3 SIM cards: Idea SIM card, Jio SIM card and Airtel SIM card. This Idea is kind of V SIM card as well. So one quick information is that this also depends upon the type of location you are in. Yes, so in my location only few SIMs will be able to support the 4G Plus. Not all the SIMs supports 4G Plus. That's the one thing you should definitely remember. So right now in my location only I know what are the 4G Plus is supported. I can definitely say that Jio is supported with the 4G Plus without any kind of problem. So other two networks, they'll get the 4G but they cannot get the 4G Plus. Yes, so I cannot blame the OnePlus Nord 2 for this kind of service they are not providing. That's the one thing, but I can definitely talk about the 4G Plus regarding the Jio connectivity in this phone. So what I did was, I think just before 30 minutes back, I did go out for the walking. So just after my dinner, and I thought of checking the bands, what type of frequency bands I'm trying to get in my location, whether the phone supports 2cc, 3cc or any kind of 4cc or not. I did take a couple of screenshots during this time of demonstration. I did use all the 3 SIM cards as well. I'll try to show you all, each and every clearly all the screenshot with proof. So try to watch till end of the video friends in case if you want to know all this kind of details. So first let's start with the first thing regarding the Idea SIM card. So with the Idea SIM card, I don't get any kind of 4G Plus. No, I'm not getting, because in my location also 4G Plus is not supported. Not only in this phone, in any phone I cannot get the 4G Plus in my location, and the band frequency is of 1800. As you can see, exactly 1800 frequency of this Idea SIM. Next is the Airtel. With the Airtel SIM also I don't get any kind of 4G Plus in my location. So in my location I don't get. I'm not sure about other locations, but in my location I'm not getting any kind of 4G LTE. It's not supported in my location. So this phone also I'm not getting any kind of 4G Plus. Even this Airtel SIM, whatever phone I am having right now, no other phone will support. So this problem from the service provider only, not the problem with the OnePlus device. So next with the Jio SIM card. With the Jio SIM card, I can definitely say all the each and every small details. So with the Jio SIM card, you should not be worried at all. In my location, I'm getting all the connections, like all the frequencies. So 2300, 850 and 1800 bands, all these kind of 3 frequencies are belong to the Jio SIM. Let me try to show you exactly. So these are the screenshots. As you can see, I did take the screenshots. So Jio 4G LTE. The time is about 9:57. Just before a couple of minutes old, I did go outside walking. As you can see, 1800 plus 850, and you're getting 4G plus without any kind of issues. LTE as well. That's written in the Jio SIM using. That's perfectly fine. And it is a 4cc. So 4cc I'm getting, friends. As you can see, 1800 plus 850 plus 2300 plus 2300. As you can see, it's supported with the 4G plus. You're getting LTE. That's also no problem, no issues with the 4G plus. And next, even single band, as you can see, only 2300 I'm trying to show you. LTE, it's supported, no issues. Next, again 3cc I'm getting, as you can see, LTE. So these are the proofs which I did take the screenshot in the OnePlus Nord 2 only, using the Jio SIM card. So if you want, even I can do the live demonstration. I'll try to use the Jio SIM card in this studio. So in the studio, I'll be getting only one single band, which is 1800 band, but I'll get the 4G plus without any kind of issues. So these are the proofs which I thought of just showing you and letting you know that what is happening with the Jio SIM card and how many bands I'm getting at same time. So 4cc also is possible in the OnePlus Nord 2 without any kind of problem. As you can see, 1800 plus 2300 and only 1800 LTE also supported, so without any kind of issue. So let me try to turn off the Wi-Fi first. Yeah, Wi-Fi is turned off and only the mobile data is there. Let me try to open the NetMonster application just to show you what is happening in my studio room. As you can see, friends, right now let me just slightly focus. It's very hard to yeah. So LTE 1800 4G plus I'm getting, as you can see, absolutely. So in this location, in the studio room also, I'm getting 4G plus without any kind of issues in the OnePlus Nord device. That's really good. 2CA 10 plus 5, as you can see the band as well. As you can see, 2CA plus 10 plus 5. That's fantastic. So when the speeds were, download speeds were, everything were really good in the OnePlus Nord 2. But in case if you want me to do side-by-side comparison, I can do side-by-side comparison. So comparing with the OnePlus Nord 2 versus Realme X1 Max or Poco F3 GT or whatever phone you want, let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely do that kind of side-by-side comparison. But this video is just for the demonstration on the OnePlus Nord 2 after the software update, what is happening and which SIMs are kind of supported in my location. That is what I'm letting you know that. So thank you for watching this video, guys. As you can see, right now I'm getting the 4G plus indoor condition in the studio room. That's fantastic score, I would say, without any kind of issues. So that's it, friends. This is a small quick review on the OnePlus Nord 2 regarding the 4G. So connection connectivity test. After the software update. See you in the next video friends. Until then stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to follow the playlist which I have created for the OnePlus Nord 2 users. So from now I'll try to concentrate more on the OnePlus Nord 2, because till now I was testing the Poco F3 GT only most of the time, because the phone was in the sale. For every week they need to pay extra 500 rupees. That is the reason I thought of making more videos on the Poco F3 GT first, then on the OnePlus Nord 2. So now I got more time on the OnePlus Nord 2, so I'll be spending a lot of time on the OnePlus Nord 2, and try to check the playlist as well in case if you have any other queries. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.